Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone is unlocked and has a network connection, because Google Photos needs access to cloud content. Once done, find the Google Photos icon in your app drawer or on the home screen and tap it. That first tap opens the app. If you see a sign-in screen, enter your Google account credentials and follow on-screen prompts. This links your device to your cloud library so you can view backed-up photos. Once the app loads, you'll land in Photos view where your images appear chronologically. Swipe up to reveal details and backup status for any image. Make sure to use the bottom tabs, Search to find faces or places, Library for albums and folders, because they organize content efficiently. If you need to change backup settings or switch accounts, tap your profile picture in the top right. That opens account and back. To finish, tap any thumbnail to open a full screen view, where you can swipe between images, tap the share icon to send files, or tap the three dots for more options. If photos don't appear, make sure backup and sync is enabled in settings and that you're signed into the correct account. That's why syncing matters. If problems persist, force close the app, clear cache, or update the app. These steps often resolve stuck gallery displays and restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.